Water is life. It is the foundation of our ecosystems, our cities, and our well-being. But it is also the invisible engine behind most economic activities. Agriculture, industry, tourism, and daily life depend on reliable water supply. That is why water governance is a key pillar to ensure sustainable development across Europe. Across Europe, conventional water resources are under increasing pressure. Groundwater aquifers are being overexploited in many regions, because pumping water from underground is often the easiest short-term solution. Surface water from rivers and reservoirs is also under stress, especially during drought periods. Climate change, population growth, and competing demands are making the situation even more complex. To reduce this pressure, Europe must accelerate the use of alternative water sources, especially reclaimed water and rainwater. These solutions can help protect natural ecosystems, reduce long-distance transport, and support a more circular approach to water. While each region has its own challenges, many of them share the same key issues: water scarcity, drought risk, energy-intensive water systems, and the need to protect ecosystems. In Murgia, water scarcity is structural. The region is a leader in water reuse, but improvements are needed for sustainability and low-carbon impact. In Malta, limited freshwater availability increases dependency on non-conventional sources. Efficiency is essential for long-term resilience. In Hungary, water management must address seasonal extremes, balancing flood risks with periods of drought. In North Macedonia, ensuring reliable access and protecting water quality are key priorities, especially under growing climate pressures. In Sweden, protecting ecosystems requires planning ahead, even in regions where water is often perceived as abundant. In Denmark, sustainable water governance must integrate environmental protection, efficient distribution, and climate adaptation strategies. Different contexts, but shared challenges. That is why cooperation and peer learning across Europe are more important than ever. Sustaqua is an Interreg Europe project that promotes peer-to-peer learning among public authorities. Its main goal is to support better policies that prioritize the most sustainable water sources over less sustainable ones. But what does sustainability mean in water management? In Sustaqua, it is assessed through environmental impacts and carbon footprint. The project identifies practical actions and supports decision-makers in evaluating water sources based on efficiency and emissions. By doing so, Sustaqua helps build more resilient water systems for the present and the future. Water is not only a natural resource. It is a strategic asset for Europe's economy, climate resilience, and social well-being. Through collaboration, innovation, and better governance, Sustaqua contributes to a more sustainable water future.